Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The launch of Qwen 3 Coder has indeed caused a major stir in the AI development community, with many developers and benchmark enthusiasts drawing direct comparisons to Anthropic's Claude 3, Sonnet, and even the flagship Claude 4 models. Here is a breakdown of the shock test results and a side-by-side comparison to help you understand why. First, let's get to the shock test, that is the agentic code generation. The most significant test for a modern coding model isn't just about writing a single function, it's about its ability to act as a software agent. This means it can take a high level request, plan a series of steps, interact with a terminal, read files, and fix bugs, all autonomously. The SWE Bench Verified benchmark is a perfect test for this, as it evaluates a model's ability to solve real world GitHub issues. We have Claude 4 Sonnet's performance. Claude 4 Sonnet has been the undisputed leader in this space, with benchmark scores on SWE benchmark verified in the high 70s. Its ability to reason, navigate to codebase, and use tools effectively has set the industry standard. Now for Qwen 3 Coder's performance. Qwen 3 Coder's flagship model, the Qwen 3 Coder 480B A35B Instruct, has achieved scores that are very close to Claude 4 Sonnet. It has consistently performed at a state-of-the-art level among open source models, showing a remarkable ability to understand and fix complex software engineering problems. Now, while Claude 4 Sonnet still maintains a slight edge in some specialized or logical reasoning tasks, Qwen 3 Coder's performance is a major achievement, especially for an open source model. Now, this is the side-by-side comparison. Qwen 3 Coder versus Claude 4 Sonnet. We shall start with model type. For Qwen 3 Coder, it's open source, definitely. Claude 4, it's proprietary. Content length is 256K native, up to even 1M with extrapolation in Qwen 3 Coder. For Claude 4, it's only up to 200K, that is especially for the Sonnet 4. Agentic abilities in Qwen 3 Coder, it's excellent, specifically trained on long horizon reinforcement learning for tool and browser use. For Claude 4, it's also excellent, known as the industry leader in planning and multi-step reasoning. Let's get to the performance. Qwen 3 Coder is the state of the art for open source models, performance on par with or close to top proprietary models on many coding benchmarks. For Claude 4 is still the industry benchmark for many agentic and complex coding tasks, especially for logical reasoning and nuanced instruction following. The cost, definitely for Qwen 3, it's free and self-hostable, can be run locally on powerful hardware or on a cheaper cloud provider. For Claude 4, you'll need to pay per use, or it's also subscription based, requires an API key or a paid plan. Flexibility. Qwen 3 is highly flexible. Developers have full control to fine-tune and integrate the model into private, custom, and on-premise solution. For Claude 4, it's flexible within the boundaries of Anthropic's API. Integrations are available, but the model itself is a black box. Let's get to hardware. Qwen 3 requires significant hardware, that is high-end GPUs. For the full 480B MOE model, smaller variants are more accessible. For Claude 4, no hardware required, as it's a hosted service. Accessibility. Qwen 3 requires technical knowledge for setup and self-hosting. Smaller variants and third-party APIs are making it more accessible. For Claude 4, extremely accessible and also easy to use via the web interface or API in here. Now, this is why devs are hyped about the threat to Claude Code. The excitement around Qwen 3 Coder isn't just about benchmark scores, it's about the implications for the future of AI in software development. Context window is this. The massive 256 context window is a huge advantage. It allows the model to process an entire code base in a single pass, which is essential for large-scale refactoring, code audits, and understanding project-wide dependencies. a usable open source alternative as well. For the first time, developers have an open source option that can genuinely compete with the performance of top proprietary models. This is particularly appealing to companies that want to keep their code and data private by running the model on premises. The MOE advantage, the mixture of experts, architects of the largest Qwen 3 coder model, provides a rare combination of power and efficiency. Also, we have lower costs at scale. While the upfront hardware cost for the full model is high, an open source model can become significantly cheaper than a proprietary pay per token API for large teams or high volume usage. In summary, Qwen 3 Code hasn't crashed Cloud Code yet, but it has certainly shaken the foundation of the AI coding landscape. It represents a major leap forward for open source models, offering a powerful, flexible, and cost effective alternative for developers who are tired of being locked into proprietary platforms. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.